And good morning. A pleasant start today. We see temperatures already in the upper 30s, 39 in the Bronx Zoo, 38 in Throgs Neck. Now these are our normal highs for this time of year. As we can see, it's still the morning, so we're going to get much above these highs. If we're looking at the satellite radar, we see nothing going on. No clouds, nothing. It's a beautiful sunny day. In fact, you have to go all the way up into northern New York around the Adirondacks before you see any clouds whatsoever. So overall, a great sunny day. Moving in, taking a drive to Manhattan, commuting to work, Midtown around the Empire State Building. Look at a high around 48 degrees today. Probably won't get to the 50-degree mark. That's later on in the week as we see some more warmth building in. It'll be a bit of a breeze out of the northwest. That's what will help keep that temperature down just a little bit. Look at the futurecast, you can see not much going on, really no clouds. Until around the evening commute, you'll see there's some high clouds moving in, and they'll stick around with us for the overnight period, helping us keep those temperatures a little warmer than we saw last night. In fact, the overnight temperatures will be right around 36 degrees with the wind shifting to the south-southwest, only around 5 miles per hour. So overall, really not those bitterly cold nights we've been seeing over the past 2 weeks. Moving on to looking at the next 3 days. See, tomorrow we will hit that 50-degree mark. We'll see right around 51 degrees. A little bit cooler Wednesday and Thursday. We'll have a chance of showers Thursday afternoon to Thursday evening. But the big warm-up is in store for this weekend, as you can see potentially temperatures into the 60s. More on that in 10 minutes. And a beautiful start to this Tuesday morning. Look at the satellite, you see? Well, nothing. No clouds in the area. The whole tri-state area remains clear today, as we'll see an abundance of sunshine throughout the day moving into the evening. In fact, the only clouds in the area, all the way up in northern New York. Looking at the current conditions out there, temperature-wise, we can see temperatures in the upper 30s to low 40s, which is already above the average temperature for this time of year, which is 38 degrees. We can see Park Slope at 41, East New York coming also in at 41. A little cooler in Greenpoint, 39. We have those calm winds, and a little bit of a breeze in Park Slope in the west-southwest around 10 miles per hour. Moving in the rest of the day, we'll see that those temperatures continue to climb throughout the afternoon, probably reaching the upper 40s around 4 or 5 o'clock right before sunset. We'll see 49 in Diker Heights, 48 in Flatbush, and that breeze out of the southwest will continue around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Looking at tonight, we'll see clear skies. Initially we'll have some clouds, and then we'll clearing up as the night goes on. Temperatures will remain above freezing, so it will be warmer than we've seen the past few nights. We'll see temperatures around 36 in Bensonhurst, 37 in Canarsie, a little cooler up in the northern parts of Brooklyn, 33 in Bushwick, and 34 in eastern New York. Looking at your 7-day forecast, you see tomorrow we have that big warm-up, a little bit degree or two compared to today, around 51 degrees. Thursday and Friday, a little cooler, and Friday we could see a bit of some shower activity later in the afternoon. Really nothing to be worried about, just a little bit of a sprinkle here and there. Saturday and Sunday is when we have, look at that, 56, 57 degrees. We're talking about almost 20 degrees above average for this time of year. Potentially could hit 60, but however, the cold is coming. Winter is coming back with a vengeance. At some point, probably around Wednesday, Thursday next week, you see in the 7-day. Around Tuesday, we start dropping off back into the mid-40s. More weather in 10 minutes on the 2s. And a nice start to Tuesday morning here in Brooklyn. We see temperatures already in the low 40s. We have 42 in Canarsie and 41 in Park Slope. We do that west-southwest wind around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Looking at Sally picture, really not much going on. We have no clouds over the tri-state region, a little bit in northern New York, but that won't affect us whatsoever. Looking at today, we'll see temperature right around 50-degree mark. I don't think we'll get there at this point, but we will be in the high 40s. Southwest breeze will be around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Now for today, we should be only really around 38 degrees for the high. So it really is take advantage of this day because we're sitting about 11 degrees above normal. For tonight, also we're staying above normal as the forecast low around 32. Actually, it might stay a degree or two above that. So that'll be about 6 or 8 degrees above our average low for tonight, which is 26, but still nowhere near the records, which are set 98 and 68 respectively. We have 65 and 2. So hopefully you don't see that kind of temperatures anytime soon. Looking at your futurecast, see not much going on throughout the day. Should be nice and clear. A few high clouds rolling during the evening, and that'll help keep those temperatures up a little bit during the overnight period, where we'll see those lows in the upper 30s, 36 in Bensonhurst, 34 in eastern New York, a little cooler in the northern shores, 33 in Bushwick. Winds will calm down a bit and be right around 5 miles per hour west-southwest. But we do have a big warm-up in store. You can see tomorrow and Thursday, mild conditions, but we see looking down south, we have this nice area of warmth building up, and gets to us right in time for the weekend, where we could even see temperatures hitting 60 degrees on Saturday and especially Sunday. but it does not last long. You see behind me, we have this area of blue, as we have a strong cold front should push through some point around Wednesday or Thursday next week, which could bring winter back and bitter cold temperatures. Looking at your 7-day, tomorrow we have temperatures right around 51 degrees. A little cooler Thursday and Friday. We have a chance for showers Friday afternoon. Really nothing to be worried about, just a little bit of sprinkle here and there. Major warm up for Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures around 20 degrees above average this time of year. And now we get into next week where we'll get a little bit cooler. More weather in 10 minutes on the 2s.